of the Governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 98/84, dated 17th August 2022, who was elected into office on 9th August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IEBC via Gazette Notice number 99/49 of 22nd August 2022. In fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read with Section 12 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the Governor. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Governor-elect Kisii County, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, to take position in front of the podium in readiness for the administration of the oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Kama mlivyosikia, Mheshimiwa Honorable Paul Simba Arati atakula kiapo cha kuchukua ofisi ya gavana na kukaribisha uchukue Biblia na ushikilie katiba kama vile sheria inavyosema na uweze kusoma kiapo chako.
Honorable Paul Simba Arati, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Leadership and Integrity Act kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Gavana, karibu.
I, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, holder of National ID 2248-1719, having been elected as the Governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm I have read and understood the specific leadership and integrity code prescribed for the state officer in the county executive of Kisii, and I hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Gavana wa pili anaenda kutia sahihi certificate kuonyesha rasmi anaanza kazi yake leo tarehe 25. Wapi shangwe na nderemo? Namwomba naibu wa gavana Deputy Governor tafadhali utoke mbele. Tafadhali njoo mbele. Ile wimbo na wimbo